Costa Rica travel, Costa Rica living, why you should never be in a hurry. Just copy this. So I'm walking down the hill. Funny story, I live in Costa Rica. My name is Muriel, by the way, if you never met me before. Warm welcome to my channel. I make videos since I moved here back in 2018 from the Netherlands with my family of 4, and I share everything that I experienced, that I have learned so far. And a very dear friend is visiting Costa Rica. She visits Costa Rica over 25 years already. She knows it really well. She doesn't live here, but like kind of know how everything works here. So she came here and we're meeting, and her house, the rental is up this hill, and I'm staying over for the night to chat and stuff, because otherwise I have to drive back. But long story short, why you should never be in a hurry when being in Costa Rica is because you never know what will block the road. Yeah, this road is super good, no holes and stuff, but like my gut feeling said, she asked me, you'll hop in my car and tomorrow I'll bring you home, no worries. But I have an important training that I have to give. I'm a coach, trainer, educator, content provider. I have live students tomorrow, and right after I'm participating in a training. So I'm a student and I cannot be late. So I don't want to be in a hurry because look. So I told her I'm gonna go with my own transportation because I cannot risk that your car will be stuck somewhere. And she's like, we leave early. Now, what happened? She drove by car and I was on the quad following her. I could pass the construction that's happening over there, but the car cannot pass. So it's always handy and convenient to ride a motorbike if you live here, or an ADV, a quad, and just never be in a hurry. So I already calculated in that going with my own vehicle will be most riskless in being on time, getting home from her place, driving home to mine, because, you know, I'm gonna show you what it is. So they're obviously doing big construction here. I see a couple of trucks. Maybe you can see the trucks as well. There's one here, and I'm walking down because that's where she's parked at the side of the road. So she gave me the code of the rental. I parked my ADV there and I'm walking down on my flip-flops so we can wait together, because we haven't seen each other for a couple of months and I want to catch up with her. So see, there is a concrete machine working here, and no cars can pass. It's a very tricky place for cars to be. So I'm walking down to her. There she is in the big construction, lot of noise. So we finally made it up. By the way, bonus tip, you also have to be a bloody good driver and have a very good car. 4x4 is really necessary. You never know where you end up. As you saw, we were waiting like this, you know, before we could pass these trucks. I waited with her. The guys were really nice. Bonus tip number 2, learn a couple of Spanish words so you can communicate. Keep those guys as a friend. Don't be angry. Those guys are workers and are directing the traffic. So these guys they work their butts off for a very low paycheck. They do what they can. So being angry, being in a hurry, doesn't work in Costa Rica. So you're traveling to Costa Rica, living in Costa Rica, You have to be patient and know a little bit of Spanish and have a very good vehicle. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. This is, by the way, an amazing house. They always stay here. And now finally we can chat. Yay! We arrived. Bye. See you in the next video.